things about trading Forex is that you don't actually know exactly which trade is going to be a crazy winner or just another loss.
What's up, everybody? We are currently live.
Taking away the weekly.
Trace back down to what we've got evidence that price is going to be bullish.
Point sort of chasing the market. I was more than happy to stay flat.
Hello everyone.
With the kangaroo toe.
Always recommend trading on the 5 minute.
Some of these exotic pairs in pretty steady uptrend, making these higher highs and higher.
Mostly trend following.
The stimulus in a certain way.
Hello and welcome everyone to this A1 Trading live analysis with your head analyst EivindFX. I hope that you are well. Do apologize for being late, but nonetheless, I'm not going to dwell more than what the reason was. I was summoned to Senate. I was in Parliament, in Kenyan Parliament today. I do apologize. Sorry, I do apologize. So right now, we just need to get going. Hello, Cliff. Let's go through the markets. I have literally basically just come in the door, and we can go through the markets. I hope that you saw the weekly forecast yesterday, so that you are a bit up to date at least. But other than that, I think we shall go through everything. Hello, Amir. So dollar, what's happening? Dollar is rising. What happened today? Almost. I said yesterday I wanted price to come up to 70 to 80 area. I'm not financial whatsoever. Just mentioning that is what I wanted to see. But I can't see it right now happening. But yeah, cool. Good. Let's see. There we are. And then weekly. So almost so far, almost. How is your howdy there, mate? Yep. Gold. We shall go through gold. Hello, Gabby. So yeah. You went down on gold, Yandex driver. Well, you shouldn't trade gold if you can't afford to lose it, kind of a thing. So we'll go through gold later on. So Aussie so far has been, coming back to some small pullback, as expected, by the way. I don't know if you got it, but that's kind of up to you. My kind of where's my list here? I have a list here of things I'm thinking would happen today. I wanted a strong pullback on Aussie today. I kind of got it. If you look at Aussie yen on the contrary side, that has been a much better pullback. But on this side of the coin, I want this one to rise. But it's currently still bearish. So if you're thinking technically price action and all those things, you're thinking, wow, this is going to go lower. Well, there you have everything allowed to go lower. So I'm not going to go. Great. That is kind of what you're thinking there. And you're Varu is here for the mutton curry. Good. So really, Aussie is showing some strength. If you go to the Aussie index, also we are seeing, has a pullback, but is now falling. Yen pairs, yen index is now falling again. Okay, so that is kind of what we want to see. We want to see yen falling, and the reason for that is basically there is stimulus in Japan. The Japan economics is really terrible at the moment, and there is not really risk-off event, and that risk-off is mostly being driven through dollar. So if you're thinking, well, I want to see some risk-off, sorry, you need to look at the dollar. Sorry, my apologies there. Euro. What's happening on euro? Nothing happened on euro that I want to testify and say, hey, look at this. Euro had a pullback on Friday. That's kind of where you could have a one entry. That is all great. Now we have a lower low. Now we need to wait for the pullback tomorrow, hopefully, and then lower. So, what is kind of what you're thinking throughout the week and throughout today? Showtime. Thank you, Chandler. Yeah, I need to go back into my showtime time. All right, so I can't remember what day it is. I normally lose money on a Mondays. I probably think that pullbacks are on Mondays, and then by Tuesday I'm like, well, I guess it goes in the end. Ooh, that coffee was terrible. Okay, so you are in 2 trades at the moment, thinking I should close. You have an entry at 13.20. I don't give any advice on what you think, what you should do, bro. But if you are in profit here, why not hold? You have no reason to say that, well, we are going higher now. There's no such thing. Should you be break even though? That is the other question that you probably should. But 13.44 is a pretty good sell price for this week. So if market comes down there and say, well, I want to tap into that market yet again this week, I would be ready to sell it. I wouldn't be ready to take profit there. So yeah, but that's what I would do. My personal trading. Hello, Ramavat. Hello. Hope you are doing well. So on euro, I'm like, okay, it falls now, but that is not necessarily a straightforward way to have into profits. But yeah. Another one is 10-year T-note is rising today, meaning they're selling the treasuries, buying gold, dollars going higher. Okay, bro. Okay, I like it. That's the way. I like it. Oh. Profits. I need to take another sip of coffee with some chocolate because profits, bro. Profits. Oh yeah. Hello, Azola. How are you? So yeah, I think this is great, Marcus. I think this is like, well, we should be making money left and right now. At this moment, at least in profit, at least in break evens, at least all those things. A pound has not been requested for, but yet again, we have reached the weekly central this morning, and we have full. Okay, that is great. I love that. So right now, I'm like, well, should be great, should be good, should be do. Someone's calling me, but a phone is a different day. So yeah. How is your $250 account? Well, I haven't traded that this today. I am up 1%. Yay! I gained something on the Aussie. I think it is orders summary somewhere. Gained something on Aussie. Gained something on USBX. Gained something, lost something on CAD yen, I think it was, and something small on New Zealand yen. So yen pairs are like in the books at the moment, just like just swimming there. But yeah, 1% is not great. It's 253, but I'm not going super crazy about this one. Mostly because I'm not going super crazy about it because it's a small account. And I want to prove to you that I can consistently go higher and not just make it from 250 to 1,000 in one day. I can, but I don't want to. Pound yen. I want this to rise. Yeah, it rises, I guess. Not great. I still have this one from yesterday. Was live yesterday, and I said this market isn't favorable for trading nice markets, and I don't feel like this market is like fantastic, because it's it's range bound. So I am bullish on pound and I'm bearish on yen. So that should be great to the upside, but market doesn't agree, so I can't trade it. I can't really say that. Yeah, it goes bad with this one. So I'm just waiting this one. I'm not YOLOing that account, bro. I'm not YOLOing with that account. The reason for not YOLOing that account is because I'm supposed to teach you how to trade properly, not just silly games and silly fun and bad trading. So another time, another day, I will come back another time, and then I will be like, okay, cool. Another market, another profit, another day where like, well, not too far away from entry, but how to lose $250 in an hour, and I can show you. I can show you. I can show you trades of how to lose $2,000 in an hour. Not in an hour. I can show you how to lose $2,000 in a second. Okay. So yeah, that is that better for you, bro? Is that better? So yeah. Okay, so I will just go through the markets and we'll just make sure that this Chandler guy doesn't spend all of his night with us. I guess it's having fun though, but Euro, New Zealand, going back up again. So nah. USD CAD. Wow, can you have bought that one? I guess you could have bought it here though. Christopher Barnes asks, what about oil? We can do oil. I'm just admiring the direction the market takes. That's all. I don't know if anyone is with me on that one, but I think everything is great. Everything is moving greatly. What about oil? Okay. So, what I think about oil? I think oil is going to go higher. I think that oil has potential to go to 100. I think that oil has now turned a bit bearish lately. So I am not so interested in this one. I'm like, okay, cool, it's there, it's fantastic, it moves, but not really great trading opportunities. So, I feel like there was I think there's resistance at 77.50 or 79, and I think markets should hold those prices, give or take. So until then, we're still bearish technically. Fundamentally, I did want this one to go higher, mostly because of inflation in America still going great. We still have a lot of demand. We still have a very low rig count, even though it's up to 2 rigs from the previous one. It's still very much lower than what you would expect. So, yeah, I think that's good enough, Christopher. Unless you want a whole lot of lecture on oil. I can give you supply and demand. I can give you all funny games, I guess. But so far, I can give you seasonality on oil. But until then, I can give you seasonality on this one. Seasonality. On seasonality part, we're supposed to be strong on dollar in November. Oh yeah. Oil, I think I said. And now I can see with my 2 eyes even. Okay. So, seasonality-wise, for the past 10 years, oil is supposed to fall in November. Not that that bothers anyone, but that's kind of, And then oil is supposed to fall, like, I think it's like the 3rd worst month of the year. Monday is the worst day, generally speaking. But yeah. Let's go. Okay, so Christopher says that was what he was thinking as well. Okay, good. Good. And then the almighty. Okay. All right. Okay. I see you. I acknowledge gold fell. Okay. My traded plan was failed me. Okay, cool. Didn't lose money on it. So if you're trading gold for profits, you're doing wrongly, by the way. And if you're thinking gold is the best thing in the world to trade, it gives you tons of profits, it gives tons of losses. But that's in the past hour. That's like this hourly candle here now. Okay. Okay, interesting. Is that a buy price, by the way? So let's collectively do something here. Do gold traders think that this is a buy price? Waiting for your answers. Some ASMR there. Can we start selling gold? Also, if you want to sell gold, for the love of God, please. This one can go 100% back up again. By the way, we know gold that much. So I would say right now, and I'm not going to say this is my trading plan. I'm not saying this should be your trading plan, but I see sell pressure. Where's the one? I see sell pressure here at 18.15. Okay, coming in. That is kind of where I would technically think about it. And then the next line in the sand is this one here. So I don't know which one it's going to be, where you need to break before you can start buying again, or as a seller you think it's going to hold. Okay, those are the two prices you're thinking. Yes, if 118.10 holds, yes. So yeah, I would agree with that one. Yeah, I would agree with that one. I would still look for some kind of resistance, though. Still some kind of pullback. Some kind of, I don't know. I can't sell here, technically at least. So for me, it's more like, well, what do we do now? So psychology-wise, it depends what you did. Did you sell it? Did you buy it? If you bought it, okay, then you move on. Then you go to something else. If you sold here, then you're in heaven. You're like, hey, it's going to go lower. Just have your entries at break even. And what does that mean? That means that if price comes back up again, you are not bleeding. You are not in the worst place in the world. Also, this one is clear technically. I'm just adding my board here. So technically, not financial advice. I'm not telling you to do anything, but hear me out, okay? This market on this time frame right here, right now, is bearish. Okay. The question is it going to continue lower or is it going to continue higher? That depends on your decision, not anybody else's. Okay. But technically, it is bearish on that time frame. On this time frame here, are we bearish here? Yes, we are bearish here as well, because we broke below this support here, which in in a general trend, you have higher highs and higher lows, right? And then if you come back to the same low here again, now what do we do? All right, are we now bearish here? No, because this one can now continue higher and making higher high. And then, whoops, it was an uptrend, okay? And now it can come down to make a new lower low. And this is where we are right now, here. So, it has broken this low. It has broken this low. It has broken this low. And it has broken this low. It's broken 3 to 4 lows. Okay, so this is where this one is. This is where you wanted to go higher from, and this is your plan B. This is your plan A, and right now you're downtown here, and that's the plan C that I don't like. So Faru says, let's move on from gold. But I'm telling you technical stuffs here, Faru. You can't get button caught in 2 minutes. So retest 1830 is kind of what I would hope for, at least. So yeah, that I don't know if it will ever happen. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna ever happen, but yes. So USD yen. I said this one should go higher, and it surely did. So for those who took that buy, congratulations. I can't remember if I said you should pause or whatever. I have amnesia, dementia sometimes right now. So at least the direction was correct. Yeah. At least the direction was correct. I don't know if you took it. I don't know. I don't care. What I care about is what's your analysis, what is your trading plan, what do you look forward to. I'm not going to mention names, but I have a pending trading idea from someone in this group. I think it is. Let me just double check it so I don't tell anyone's names. Yeah, someone from A1 Trading sent me a trading plan earlier today, and I'm going to review that one. That is on silver. So if you want to, I am your head analyst here for you on this channel and for this company. So you can send me your your trading plan. I am not paid. I'm not paid for it by any means. I am paid by, what you can call it. I'm paid by patience. I'm paid by grace, and I'm paid by air that I'm still breathing, and I can still develop you guys. So if that's something you're interested in, hit me up. You can find me on Discord on the A1 Trading channel, and you can find me at the VIP room. I'm mostly VIP webinar. I generally stay there, at least. So I generally talk there. So is that something you want to? Good. Because what's a good price to buy pound dollar? And nothing. 136 maybe. Pound dollar at the moment is bearish, is falling. I wouldn't buy it here. I need to break 136. I need to make a higher high. I need to have a whole turnaround. So this market is pretty bearish, I would say. But it wouldn't be the first one I would sell. But it's not great. My shirt looks white today. Anyways, Aussie yen also can still go down, still bearish, but who knows? Cadia coming back to resistance. Will it fall from here? Euro yen coming up to resistance. Will it fall from here? and New Zealand yen coming up to resistance. Can they fall from here? I think my theory in life, think this one should go higher. So I'm just waiting for this. Andrew, I am right here, right now. So I want this to go higher. And I think that it has potential to go higher, mostly because we get a weakness. I just need it to confirm. I don't have confirmation. I need to wait. So right now, instead, I don't have a higher high. I don't have a bullish market at the moment on New Zealand yen, which I want. So today it's like YMCA kind of a thing. That's more like, I'm more like dancing. I'm more like, jumping around doing other things than trading yen. And that's why you don't see any trades on my my count challenge, EivindFX 2050 challenge, because the market is not performing on yen pairs. But that's that. So what else? US 30 gold can come back up again. Oil still a bit up. Silver. What was it saying there? Boo, 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 boo. Staying alive. Staying alive. Boo, 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 boo. Staying alive. Staying alive. Yeah. Nah. Yeah. It is what it is, I guess. BTC? Nobody on BTC? I want this to go higher. It's on higher high at the moment, so maybe something soon. Maybe something. Maybe. That's what I hope for. I'm trading it right now because it's not bullish. US 30, there's a double bottom. Woohoo! Woohoo! Maybe this one finally can go higher. Nasdaq makes a higher high. Boom! That's where you buy, and then once you buy again, and then I don't know if it will ever happen, but let's see if it does. S&P 500 going higher. Boo! Yeah. What's the verdict of today? The verdict of today is that dollar is strong, moving higher. Euro is falling, pound is falling, and New Zealand dollar is falling. Yen pairs are kind of rising again, but not really as much as I wanted. But I think the market is very understandable today. It is going great. And yeah. Bernard did not get nomination. Okay, that's maybe why it fell-ish. Oh, that was earlier today. Okay. There's a powerful trend coming for gold in the beginning of December, so get ready. Don't worry. Be ready for December. And apparently today we have commercials from Nairobi to Oslo on Qatar Airways. Who knows? Who cares? So yeah. So I think that's enough for me. I feel, sorry to say this at the last, I feel very sick. I feel very weak, and I just want to go to bed. And I don't know what's going to do next. But yeah, I'm going to jump off here. Sorry, it was fast, quick, and easy. The market is fast, quick, and easy as well today. So yeah. Another thing, please give this thing a like, this live show here. Please give it a follow of the A1 Trading Company. And also, go to my YouTube channel, my personal one. Here we have EivindFX as well. I'm going to be live there tomorrow, 1 hour before Nick is going to be. And I'm done with he is going to be live. So we can be 2 hours of live, fantastic analysis tomorrow. Hope you have a great day. I am going to hibernate until tomorrow. Have a great day. Boom.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching today's stream. I hope you got a lot of value out of it. And hey, before you go, make sure to check out our guest on social media, as well as subscribe to the A1 Trading YouTube channel for more free trading content throughout the week. Before we go, I do also want to say down below in the description, there's all sorts of great perks for you if you're looking for a broker. We've got some recommended brokers. We've also got a Telegram channel and email newsletter that you would probably benefit from if you're an aspiring trader. So take advantage of some of that free stuff down below. It will also help out the channel tremendously, and we will see you back tomorrow.